Hey, what's up guys, it's Emmy. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this Tide Pod makeup look. So yeah, let's get started. First I'm going to be taking literally all of these oranges. I'm just going to be putting them from the lightest to the darkest to deepen up my crease and add some depth and just make it very bright orange.
You lay there on the kitchen floor. It seems like you.
I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease.
I'm sorry, but when my hands start.
I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and grab this blue color, and I'm gonna pack it all over my lid. And I'm not trying super hard to make the lines super sharp because I'm gonna be fixing that when I do the white eyeliner later on.
Won't sneak around. I'll lace you up and put you on.
So I'm going to be taking my NYX white eyeliner, and this was very stressful, and like I was scared I was going to ruin this, but I think it turned out pretty well. Now I'm going to put on my foundation, not showing it because you've seen it a million times. I'm going to take that same blue shade, and I'm going to be using this to contour, and yeah, I'm just going to use it to contour. So I couldn't find a way to incorporate doing the white on my face, so I thought freckles would be a cute idea, so I'm going to be putting freckles all across my face. So to highlight, I'm going to be taking the same orange eyeshadow, and I'm going to be putting that on just because I don't have a orange highlighter. So I put the orange eyeshadow, and then I got a just like normal white highlighter, and I put that on top, and it made an orange highlighter.
So don't be shy.
I'm taking what's left on my brush and putting it on my nose and Cupid's bow. I'm going to take the darkest color that I used in my crease, and I'm just going to put the darkest one on my lower lash line.
Running for you every day and night. I'm running for you, gotta go and step outside. So warm me up.
Now I'm going to take my Jumbo NYX eye pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm going to be putting that in my waterline.
So I'll keep running.
I'm going to put some mascara on now. So I'm going to use this chapstick as an adhesive when I put the same blue eyeshadow I used for everything. And I'm going to be using this as a lipstick because I don't own a blue lipstick, so I thought this was a really creative way to do it. And if you need a crazy colored lipstick and you have an eyeshadow that you want to make a lipstick, this is a really great life hack. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you want to see more crazy makeup looks like this, and comment down below any video suggestions and things you're going to see from me. Yeah, bye!